Sandarbhas, Sri Jiva Goswami is also quoting this verse, and he cites this verse to show the supreme love of the gopis for Krishna. So that's why he says, in other words, the meaning of each one of these words is given in one way by the translator of this BBT book, and then, which I believe is my godbrothers at this juncture, because Prabhupada was in the Golok at this time. They, of course, he gives his translation also. His translation, Prabhupada, among the assembly of gopis, the Chuta Sri Krishna appear just like the moon surrounded by the stars. Krishna's activities are so magnanimous that he made their faces blossom with his affectionate smiling glances, broad smiles, revealing the effulgence of his kunda flower-like teeth. So even this word udara cheshtita, which here means magnanimous activities. So here, this type of meaning, which is also correct, it sounds like the Chaitanya Charitamrita, where they say, Bharata Bhumate Hoile Manasa Janma Jara Janma Sartakakari Parakara Upakara. Upakara Udara. Udar work or Upakara work means to be magnanimous, be kind and generous. You receive the bhakti, you receive the teachings of Krishna consciousness. Now go mercifully and magnanimously and kindly distribute and give them to others. So this is the meaning that's generally taken. But then we heard Vishwanath explain that Udhara Cheshtita means lila, that Krishna's lila. So Jiva Goswami Pad explains this word. First we heard the unique revelation of Sanatana Goswami about Sametabhir, meaning Radharani. Oh, everyone was there but one. We had all the links of the chain, the bicycle chain. We had all the links. The whole chain was there, but there was one piece missing. That's called the connecting link. In a bicycle chain, they all look the same. They look like little figure eights with little brackets on the side, little eights, and the chain goes over it, like on the sprocket. But there's one that's shaped differently, which connects the two ends. So all thousands of gopis, millions of gopis there. But if that chain, there may be a chain 1,000 miles long, 1,000 kilometers long, but there's no connecting link, it's useless. It won't hold on, it won't stay, you can't join the two ends. So the joining of the two ends, which means the initiator, the Udipan and the Prem, Vibhav Prem Ashraya, missing, or Radharani missing, there's no Prem Leela, there's no Rasa Leela, there's no Rasa Mandala. So that's Sanatana Goswami's commentary. And Jiva Goswami, he comments, Udara Cheshtita, he says this is indicating the extent of the gopis' love. The gopis that were in front of Krishna, without Radharani, they were so kind, and their love was, he said, supreme and vast and all-encompassing, which is the basic meaning of the word. Supreme and vast and all-encompassing, but it means their love. Their love is so supreme. That's why it's called Pranaya Gita, because irregardless of the rasa consideration, the absence of Radharani and what Krishna was personally doing, the actual divulsion and revelation of the gopis in the Pranaya Gita is showing that most extensive and inconceivable Udhara Cheshtita, means Udhara Prem, vast unlimited prema of the gopis.